Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 ways to make your kitchen look more expensive. If you are working on a kitchen renovation, planning for one, or wanting to refresh your kitchen at all, I hope this video gives you some ideas on ways that you can make it look more luxurious. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, let's start out with something easy that you can implement into your existing kitchen without demolishing, renovating, or really doing anything expensive. If you have floor mats around your kitchen, maybe in front of your sink, your stove, or your kitchen island, I would replace those for long runners, something that's going to span the length of your floor space to make your entire kitchen look larger and more tailored in its design. You can implement an accenting color scheme this way, you can add texture and interest to your flooring, and it just adds a nice soft furnishing detail that every designer kitchen has. Having different individual floor mats and rugs around your kitchen can make your space look a little bit messy and cheap, so going for a large runner would really help tie your space together and make it look more elegant. You can get durable, washable runners that still maintain a great style, but add that practicality into your kitchen, so if it gets dirty, you can throw it in the wash. I'll link some of my favorites down below because I think every kitchen needs a good runner. Another very easy upgrade you can make to any kitchen is upgrading your countertop essentials. These are going to be things that are left out on your countertop at all times, all of your functional pieces. This could be your spoon rests, trays, soap dispensers, canisters, your wooden spoons, anything that you want to have out at all times should be integrated into your kitchen design. Try to create one cohesive look across your kitchen so that if these things are left out, they still look good on your countertop. A lot of this has to do with removing packaging and odd colors that don't go with your overall color scheme, because those things are going to start to call attention and take away from the overall kitchen design. Go for neutral essentials that are going to help tie your entire space together. This is going to make your space look a lot more tidy and organized, even if all of these essential pieces are left out on the countertop. All of these small pieces can actually be used as styling decor around your kitchen. So cutting boards are a great piece. They're functional, but they also add a ton of warmth to your kitchen. So having them out on your countertops, using them as trays, or leaning against your backsplash always adds a lot of style. You can swap out your kitchen towels to something a little bit more stylish. Having stylish countertop appliances that really work with the overall design helps them blend into the space so you don't notice them as clutter on the counter. Canisters are a great way of storing those everyday products. Maybe your tea bags, your coffee beans, your coffee pods, store them away in stylish canisters. It really goes a long way. Any items that you want left out on display, make sure they work with your space. I'll link a few of my favorite affordable countertop appliances down below so you can check those out, and any other beautiful essentials for your kitchen. When it comes to countertops, one detail you need to consider is the finish of your countertop. You're going to have to pick a polished finish or a honed finish. I would always recommend going with the honed finish. This is going to create more of a matte, leathered, velvety look as opposed to shiny. Shiny really shows all of the imperfections. So if you have any marks and spills and crumbs, the shiny surface will always show that a lot more. So I always recommend going with a honed finish. I think it's timeless, it feels amazing, it looks a lot more elevated, and it's gonna create more of an expensive look. The more natural look that you can get from the stone, the better. As soon as you add shine on, it starts to look a little bit manufactured, so taking that down and going for a honed finish is really gonna give you that elevated look. You should always have 3 types of lighting in your kitchen: integrated lighting, task lighting, and mood lighting. Integrated lighting could just be your under cabinet lighting that really lights up your countertop space. That's always going to be the first level of elevating your kitchen design through lighting. Then you can take it to the next level by implementing lighting by your toe kicks. You could implement lighting inside of your cabinet. You could integrate motion censored lighting. You can obviously plan for all this when you're doing a full kitchen renovation, but if you're working with your existing kitchen, you can also do this through strip lighting, through motion censored lighting, stick-on lighting. You can find all these types of things on Amazon. You should of course have all of your task lights, which are going to be your ceiling lights, the lights that you can flick on and your kitchen lights up. These are going to be your pendant lights and ceiling lights. And lastly, you should absolutely have mood lighting in your kitchen. I love to use my kitchen in the evening to bake and really create a relaxing space in there, and mood lighting would help achieve that. This could be small lamps that are very easy just to add into corners of your kitchen to help add an overall calm lighting feel. You could also add sconces, which will add a beautiful design element, but also some gorgeous calm mood lighting. You can do the same with picture lights that are really going to help you frame out beautiful design features. And I think all of these lighting fixtures together will make for a beautiful lighting design in your kitchen. So if you're missing any of these types of lighting in your kitchen, make sure you add them in for that designer look. If you're working on a kitchen renovation and planning out your cabinet design, make sure you implement these two types of upper cabinets. Firstly, upper cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. So starting from your backsplash up into your ceiling will be all cabinets. You can break these up into different types of cabinets, maybe small ones on top, large ones below, or these can be large, long doors. This is going to make your kitchen look huge instantly. So it's definitely a finishing detail that I think every designer, more expensive looking kitchen has. That gap between upper cabinets and the ceiling is just a huge dust collector. It's really a waste of space, and you can create more storage opportunity by turning that into more cabinets. And another style cabinet that's seen in all designer kitchens now are countertop cabinets. So these cabinet towers go from the ceiling all the way down to the countertop. This creates a little bit more dimension to your kitchen design so that it's not just a strip of upper cabinets and a strip of lower cabinets. These also coincide with appliance garages. Appliance garages are the thing to have in your kitchen if you're going for a designer elevated look. You can hide your toaster, your blender, all of the mess behind the garage door. It will instantly clean up the look of your kitchen without you putting any effort in. So if you can include an appliance garage, you are absolutely winning when it comes to kitchen design. Now, typically in custom designer kitchens, the only appliance you ever see is the oven. Every other functional appliance is hidden away, which is typically your fridge and your dishwasher. These are best to get in panel ready options. So if you can get a panel ready fridge, a panel ready dishwasher, you can create the look of full cabinetry across your kitchen and hide those appliances away. These are going to be unfinished appliances that you can add that cabinet front to. These are also going to be a little bit more flexible as well, because you can always change out that panel for a new look when you change your kitchen. So I think it's the most ideal option. It's definitely more money up front, but it's going to give you more flexibility and longevity in your kitchen design. There's 3 design elements that you need to choose for your kitchen design: your cabinets, your countertops, and your backsplash. There's a ton of backsplash options out there, and I think people can start to skew their kitchen design when it comes to their backsplash. It's really the first thing you see when you walk in. It's at eye level. It can either be distracting or it can aid to the kitchen design. I think the best option right now is a slab splash. I love the way they look. It really creates a clean, timeless, just simplified look to your kitchen, and it can either draw a ton of attention to it in a bold way, or it can make your kitchen look very clean and simple. So it depends what kind of stone you go for, but continuing that countertop finish up onto the wall just helps simplify your design. I think slab splashes can also make your kitchen look a lot larger because the continuous line of the stone just fully expands throughout the space. So it really helps expand the look of your kitchen if you're going for a larger look and feel. I think a lot of individual backsplash tile tends to look trendy. It's something that you feel like you might need to change every so often. So I think a timeless, classic, safe look is actually going with a slab splash. Now, your kitchen doesn't just have to be a functional cooking space. It can also be a decorative, cozy, inviting space. It's usually the center of your home. It's somewhere where you gather all the time. So I think it should be treated just as any other room in your home. Bring in all of the decorative details that you love into your kitchen. This could be through art. Art looks incredible in a kitchen, leaned against your backsplash, hung on a shelf, hung on a wall, framed with a picture light. It just creates a really beautiful moment in your kitchen that's somewhat unexpected. You can also do this with your window treatments, like cafe curtains or Roman shades. These soft details are going to totally tie together your kitchen design and make it look a lot more finished and decorative and overall more luxurious. Think about styling moments and vignettes around your kitchen to make it look more decorative through vases and florals and trays. You can integrate all of these elements that you'd use throughout the rest of your home into your kitchen to tie it all together. Kitchens have a ton of hard, shiny surfaces, so if you can soften that with some soft furnishings and decorative details, you're gonna end up with a more luxurious design. Now, obviously, you want your kitchen renovation and design choices to last for as many years as possible. You really want to choose those timeless finishes that feel a little bit safe. But sometimes you can get a very designer, elevated, expensive look if you go for very bold finishes. This definitely isn't for everyone, but if you're into design and really want to make a statement, go for bold elements. This could be your cabinet color. You could go for a moody color, black, bright colors. That will really add a huge designer touch to your kitchen. You can pick an interesting bold stone that's gonna stand out and really be the art piece of your kitchen. You can go for funky lighting, a really bold floor. You can choose these design elements to really make a statement. And I find that statement kitchens tend to look a lot more expensive and less builder grade, obviously. So if you're someone that's up for it and really wants to make a huge impact in your home, go for a bold kitchen design. It's gonna leave you with a more elevated look for sure. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on ways that you can elevate your kitchen. Let me know down below in the comments if you're working on a kitchen renovation, if you want to refresh your space, if you have any kitchen questions, let me know down below. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.